Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we fought a war against a people belonging to the tribe Juhayna. They fought violently with us. When we were performing the Zohar prayer, the polytheists said to one another, finish them off, assaulting them all together. Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam appraised the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam of it, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intimated us. And the polytheists said, now their such prayer is about to approach, as is dearer to them more than their progeny. When the time of the Asr prayer approached, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam divided us in two rows, while the polytheists were intervening between us and the Qibla. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well as we pronounced Takbir Tahrima. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well as we performed the bowing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam prostrated himself, and the first row performed the prostration along with him. And when all stood up, the second row performed the prostration, and then the first row went to the near, and the second row went to the front. And they stood where the first row was standing. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then uttered Allahu Akbar, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well as we performed the prostration, whereas the second row remained standing. Then when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had performed the prostration, the second row performed the prostration, and then all sat down. And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam uttered salutation to them. Abu Zubair says, as your dignitaries lead the people in the prayer nowadays. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1943.